Is Semrush worth $140/month? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to give you the full review of Semrush and help you decide whether it's really worth $140 per month. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Semrush is a powerful all-in-one digital marketing platform used for SEO, content marketing, competitor analysis, PPC, and social media management. It's widely used by marketers, agencies, and businesses to improve their online presence. Keyword research with accurate volume and difficulty. Site audit tools for SEO health checks. Competitor research for domain comparisons. Backlink analysis and tracking. Position tracking for keywords. Content marketing tools. PPC tools for ad campaign optimization. Pros: extremely comprehensive set of tools, accurate and regularly updated data, easy to understand interface, valuable insights for SEO and marketing strategies, trusted by professionals and large businesses. Cons: expensive for individual users or small businesses, steep learning curve for beginners, limited access to advanced features in lower tier plans. Pricing: Semrush starts at around $140/month for the Pro plan. The Guru and business plans cost even more, offering additional tools and limits. It does offer a free trial, but most features are behind a paywall. If you're a serious digital marketer, agency, or business relying heavily on SEO and content strategies, Semrush offers immense value. But for casual users or those on a tight budget, the price can be hard to justify. So that's all for this video.